Introducing the 2025 Salem Grand Villa 42 View, a destination trailer that redefines affordable luxury in RV living. At 45 feet in length, this spacious model offers a home-away-from-home experience, perfect for families seeking comfort without breaking the bank. Price starting at $72,999, it provides exceptional value for its size and amenities. The 42 View boasts a dual-loft design, maximizing vertical space and offering sleeping arrangements for up to 9 people. The main bedroom features a king-size versatile bed, ensuring restful nights. The rear private bedroom includes a walk-in shower and washer/dryer prep, adding to the convenience. 2 entry doors facilitate easy access, with one leading directly into the kitchen and the other into the living area. The heart of the RV is its expansive living area, highlighted by an L-shaped sectional sofa that doubles as a bed. The entertainment center includes a fireplace and a televator TV, creating a cozy ambience. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring a large island with a tic-tac sink, soft-close drawers, and residential appliances. The addition of a hidden pantry door and enhanced floating shelves offers ample storage space. Equipped with a JBL 3-zone media center, the 42 View ensures high-quality audio throughout the RV. The 60K on-demand tankless water heater provides endless hot water, while the central vacuum system with a sweep attachment keeps the space tidy. The RV also includes a 26-foot awning with LED blade lighting, enhancing the outdoor living experience. The Salem Grand Villa 42 View is built with durability in mind, featuring a heated and enclosed underbelly for all-season use. The gel-coat exterior fiberglass adds to its sleek appearance and longevity. The inclusion of a Lipper on-the-go ladder prep and stylish roller shades further elevate its functionality and aesthetics. Starting at $72,999, the 2025 Salem Grand Villa 42 View offers an impressive array of features at a competitive price point. Dealers across the country are offering various configurations, with some models priced as low as $75,495, providing options to suit different budgets. This RV is an excellent choice for families or groups looking to invest in a comfortable and stylish mobile living space without overspending.